What's going on, everybody? I'm Clarence Edward. I am an art dealer, collector, and curator. Now I'm based in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm about to take you all inside of Sea Gallery. This space here will be primarily for performance art and sculptures, as well as people who have their own collection of work, and just pretty much a space, an open square space for a lot of creativity. I'm excited to just provide the community as well as people from other cities the opportunity to come here and just show their work. This here is the main floor, which will host a lot of exhibitions focusing primarily on abstract art. I plan to work with a lot of artists here in Nashville, and I will also plan on bringing a lot of amazing artists from New York to the city and just allowing a lot of artists to express themselves. If you're interested in supporting me, you can click the link in my bio and it'll direct you to my GoFundMe account. Thank you all so much for supporting me and encouraging me to pursue my passion, and I'm glad I'm doing it right now. Thank you.